Hello students, how are you doing today? Welcome again with new lesson. As we all know that this is last lesson of the week, so kindly check it out and use those idioms while speaking. These idioms can help you to from 7 to 8 or 8.5 bands, only and only if you use them in an appropriate way. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe us since we have miles to go. We are going to post very interesting lessons in the future. Let's get started. Take it for granted. To believe that something is true without first thinking about it or making sure that it is true. For example, usually plus that I'd always seen them together and just took it for granted that they were married. Have a grip on. To have control over something. For example, certainly in the first half England didn't seem to have a grip on the game. Look before you leap. Something that you say in order to advise someone to think about possible problems before doing something. For example, if you're thinking of buying a house, my advice is, look before you leap. Man cannot live by bread alone. Something that you say which means people need things such as art, music and poetry as well as food, in order to live a happy life. This phrase comes from the Bible. For example, our cultural heritage is important. Man cannot live by bread alone. Neck and neck. If two people who are competing are neck and neck, they are very close and either of them could win. For example, often plus with recent polls show the Republicans almost neck and neck with the Democratic Party.